Hi everyone, Paul down here at Ccrv. We're doing a quick video of 3 doer-uppers that are around £15,000 and under. What they are, they're either ex-rentals, we've had them for ages and we've decided to sell them as they are. So if you're keen to do something up, renovate something, renovate a fifth wheel and get yourself an absolute bargain, I'm going to show you around 3. So right, Thomas is on the camera. So this could be a bit shaky. I ain't got my usual man Dave on it, I got Thomas on it. Right, so come in, we've used it as a bit of a stores. I know there'll probably be a few fabulous comments here. We may overdo the floor, but it's quite an easy job to do. But this is basically, it's been here for a couple of years now. When it came back from hire, it needs a bloody good old clean out. It's all solid, the floors are solid, it doesn't leak. It's a lovely lounge area. I mean, if you can imagine it, if you look here, Thomas, the dinette goes there, which you can buy a nice one from eBay or Facebook or something. Nice sofa. A nice sofa would go there, and you've got the TV, fire and everything up there. And so you have to use your imagination here. And if you look up into the bedroom, again, it's all solid. We've just nicked bits off of it. It's got the east-west bed here and quite a nice bedroom. There's lots of spiders up here. Come have a look in here, look. So you've got east-west bed. I say it's all in a bit of a mess, but it's all here. Obviously we'll put it all back together again as best we can and give it a good old clean out and test it out. But this is going to be, I don't know, around £12,000, something like that. Right, we go off to the next one now. Right, the next one is that we've got a Rockwood here. We've sold this 2 or 3 times to different folks. They've had a great time in it. It's just come back, and to be honest, we just haven't got around to doing anything with it. It's a nice unit, it's solid, typical Rockwood. A little bit faded. If you want to get out here with a polisher, it would come up lovely. Again, I don't think we may have used this as a bit of a stores, and we'd probably nick bits out of it. So this is a realistic video, right, of what we got down here really. So we've got the table and chairs, we've got the furniture, we're going to put a new slide floor in it, and this one's going to be probably just under 15 grand. But typical Rockwood, it's an 8280, it's a lovely layout. And if you have a look in the bedroom there, Thomas, you can see the bed and everything is there, and they're not a bad bathroom. We've even nicked the toilet out of this one, look, so you'll have a new toilet. And it's just basically when we need bits, we tend to whip them out of the other ones, then they just get a bit neglected. But it's basically a solid unit, and it's a bargain, to be fair. It wouldn't take a lot of time or cost a lot of money to actually get it back, you know, and it's a cheap home for somebody. Right, we're off to the next one now. Right, the last one is an 8299 Rockwood signature. You can't really tow this one, it's a little bit too heavy. It's more for a static, to be fair. You can tow it on a lorry, but it's not going to go on an English truck, it's too heavy. This one suffered from a bit of delamination. It was no fault of Rockwood, they do not delaminate. What happened in Texas, I think about 2018, they had a freak cold spell, and in Texas is where they make all the glue, obviously, because that's where they kill the cows and everything in Texas for beef. So they make all the glue, and for some reason the glue got frost in it, and it's a little bit delaminated here and there, but it's actually bone dry inside, and it wouldn't take a lot to get it all back ship shape. We've had 2 like that, and all came on the same year and the same problems. So what we basically done was retrimmed it, took the stretch out of it and re-glued it. So, but they do not leak, all right? So come in and have a look. This one has been on hire for ages. Right, this is the living area. So you got an iron sink. I mean, it looks a mess in here, and this is why we're doing a genuine video here. You'll have to buy yourself a fridge, a double fridge that'll go in there, and a microwave to go in there. Furniture wise, you can probably get them from, where do we buy them from? Argos. It all fits, all the right widths and everything. But this is a solid unit. There's no problems with the floors, nothing's bone dry, and it's a lovely layout. And this one's going to be about 15. There goes the phone again. I'll call them back. I think this is a signature of these videos. I'll call you later. Right, follow me, young Thomas. Right, we go into the bedroom. This one makes this really nice because it's got the east-west bed again. As I say, it's in good nick, but we've robbed stuff of it. All of these bits that are gone from here, you can get them from RV spares and stuff on eBay, so it really is easy to do. But we would do this one for 15 grand, right? And it's a nice unit, but not a penny difference, because I've just sold one and the guys picked it up and took it to Cyprus. It's up for £25,000. So this done up is £25,000 on its head. Right, that's the last one. So if you're in the market for these sort of things, Thomas is going to put this video together. Like and subscribe to the channel as usual. If you got to the end, thumbs up, thanks very much. But that's 3 genuine ones. And if you're in the market for a doer-upper, we're in the mood to sell a few, because there is a little bit of a secret going on. We may be moving site, but we'll do some videos on that. Go on.